The world, an inspirational landscape we call home. Our past, our present, and our future inspire a new evolution in global design, engineering, and manufacturing. Environmental consciousness and sustainability are core values to Methode to safeguard our future generations. In a rapidly changing market, automation, electrification, and connectivity technologies have become more demanding, presenting Methode Electronics with the perfect platform to innovate in unexplored territories, where agility and speed to market have become a fundamental standard in the industry. Methode Electronics designs and manufactures customized product solutions used in our everyday lives. While some may be visible, others are discreetly concealed, assuring our journeys are safer and more comfortable. With a proven record of electronic and mechatronic solutions in the broader global industries, Methode Electronics has developed extensive expertise in automotive and commercial vehicle exterior, interior, and ambient lighting, in position, force, current sensing, and torque sensing devices, exterior and interior decorative user interface designs, low and high voltage power solutions for data centers, wind turbines, power stations, electric vehicles, other modes of transportation, and data interface solutions for commercial and residential applications. With over 7,000 team members globally, including highly skilled engineers and experienced technicians positioned in all the geographic locations, Methode provides solutions to the most complex of problems. Furthermore, its global vertical integration strategy has resulted in highly efficient worldwide operations, supported by state-of-the-art, automated, and semi-automated production lines. Behind every solution is a human story. At the core of its operational excellence, the dedication to design and manufacturing robust and durable products has resulted in the earning of an enviable reputation which has persevered since the company's inception in 1946. Early in its rich history, Methode soon became a leading manufacturer of printed circuit boards, and in 1969 provided product which contributed to the success of the Apollo 11 launch. For many years, it pioneered vehicle safety, providing hundreds of thousands of miles of contact ribbon for automotive airbag technology and seat sensors for passenger occupant detection systems. Methode was one of the first to introduce touch controls in appliances. These were later launched in the automotive market. Methode engineered one of the first integrated center consoles for automobiles and was the first to design and mass-produce contactless magnetoelastic torque sensors. These and many more milestones are the very foundations that distinguish Methode Electronics' success story. With new, exciting challenges ahead, Methode Electronics' expertise in sensors, user interface, lighting, power distribution, and digital data will continue to deliver engineering excellence into our everyday lives. The next breakthrough is not too far away. Methode is possibilities.